How to create a rock vertical animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a vertical rocking reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Rock Vertical. Tap on Rock Vertical to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see the video move with a vertical rocking motion that creates a smooth and dynamic reveal effect. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the rock vertical animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel faster and more energetic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more atmospheric effect. Now preview the animation and adjust the timing so the rocking motion matches your video properly. And that's it. That's how you can create a rock vertical animation in CapCut Mobile easily.